Hello everybody, welcome back once again to another episode of Learn Data Analytics with Blessing. And in today's video, we'll be looking at the group by statement. Remember I told you in our last video that we'll be looking at this statement in this video. So what is the group by statement and what is it used for? The group by statement in SQL is used for organizing and summarizing data based on some identical values in a specified columns. Remember how we use the group by feature in the Power Query, both in Power BI and in Microsoft Excel? Yes, how you can group multiple fields or multiple columns, either one or more columns based on aggregations. Let's say I want to know the total amount for every of the product. So I would say select what? I want to select the product, then comma, the sum of the total amount, as, don't forget to alias that the right column as total amount, from where? From others. If I run this, we should have an error. Let's see what happens if I run this. Execute. You'd see that the column others, the product, is invalid in the select list because it is not contained in either an aggregate function or the group by clause. So I have to add the group by clause. So I'll come here and say group by, because I want to group it based on the product. I want to group the sum of total amount based on the product column. So group by what? Product. Then I'm going to just run this. So we have the total amount. So for gaming console, we have this as the total amount. So if you have more than 2 gaming console product record in the main table, it's going to sum the amount together to give us this total amount, 1050. Then for headphones, 150, keyboard 260, everything. You are seeing just the unique number of products that we have here, then the total amount made for each of the. So if you had sold maybe 2 laptops, the prices for both, the amounts we use in selling both will be summed together to get this, to get the total amount. So you can also use it with the average. So let's say instead of sum, I'm saying average amount now. So AVG for average. Then I'll change this from total amount to average amount. Then if I should run this should give us the average amount for every of the product. Same thing for count. You can also use it with the max and min. If I want to get maximum, so let's say I'm using of the, you have to use the column that contains numerical max total amount, max of the total amount. Then I'll close my parentheses and just give this max total amount, max amount. So let's run this and see. So you can see here for gaming console. So let's see what happened. Let's look at the main table itself. Select all from others. Then I'll end my query and let's run this. Either you press F5 or you come to this place and hit the execute button. So I have this. If I sort this in order of, let's say I sort this. Let me sort this order by the product in ascending order, products in ASC ascending order, and the total amount in descending order, total amount DESC. So let's run this and see again. So you see something for gaming console, we have 550 for total amount and 500. So when we run this max total amount for every of the product, it returns 550. It returns the highest amount, not the least. So for we add 2 gaming console in that record, they return the one with the highest amount, the max amount. If I go back here again, let me run both together so you see. So you see how that for headphones, we only have 1 headphone, so you just return the amount for 1 headphone, 150. For keyboard as well, we have 2 keyboards. You have one for 180, and we also have one for 80. So you return the one for maximum. That's why you're saying 180 here. We have for laptop. For laptop, we have laptops that worth 2,200, another one worth 1,300, another one worth 1,200, but it will only return the maximum, which is 2200. So when you use the max, it only returns the maximum value. If I change this from max to min, I give this min to return minimum value. Let's run this again. Execute. This is going to return all the minimum values. You can see for gaming console, it returned the minimum. Although we have two gaming console, 550 and 500, we have the minimum gaming console total amount returned. For headphones, since we only have one headphone, it returned that particular value. For keyboard, that particular value. But for laptop, where we have 2200, 1300 and 1200, it returns the minimum value for laptop. So this is how you use these aggregate functions with the group by feature. So I can still go ahead and say, okay, group by, select product for the minimum amount as minimum amount from others, where I want where the product is laptop. So I'll just use my where product is equal to laptop. So I'll close this laptop. Then let's run this and see. So we have 1200. This is how you use the group by statement. All right, as usual, don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. If you are just visiting my channel for the very first time, my name is Brian Blessing, and I'm that data analyst passionate about growth. So we'll begin in our next video. See ya.